So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my Guru Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented, all of my respectful guests. So I will not take too much of your time because the devotees, they also will and perform one very nice beautiful drama, very curiosity. So all you are eager and she clothes are
Very
Tiger between us. Tiger between us.
so all you are thinking, what is that, what is that? Huh?
What does that mean?
Who is the, what is that? Huh? This is true. We think always cover, then automatically your
Curiosity.
curiosity will come. This is true. If anything open, no one
Will ask.
interested. This is okay. 3 times he tried to.
Try to hide.
Well, who is the
A child tiger.
so all your some
Curiosity.
curiosity is coming. Okay, it's good also. Actually, bhakti this is also this. Karma, Gyan, Yoga, not these types of things. And this bhakti actually coming from where? Bhakta Sanjayate Bhakta. Bhakti comes from the heart of pure devotee of Lord. Understand? So far this we are saying this is without the association of Bhakta, Bhakti Devi will not meditate in our heart. This is the main thing here. So far they are Bhakta Sanjayate Bhakta. Sanatana Goswami Pad explained that bhakti is as like one kind of disease. Disease, understand? Roga. There is some kinds of disease coming. You have some, what is called?
Cold.
Flu, cold coming.
Cold.
You can do
Sneezing.
sneezing. Then who is sitting very close to you, then after 1 or 2 hours also
Infected.
So for the Sanatana Goswami Pad, Vidas Bhagavatamritam, in his Digdarshana Tika, also explained, Bhakti also this way as like Sankramak Vyadhi. As like, automatically, that is called
Contagious.
Contagious.
contagious, coming this way. Very cute. This is also. You read Vidas Bhagavatamritam, Sanatana Goswami Pad explains, so for this regard successfully, always associate with sadhana. Understand that? And he also told, then when told, what is that? Satang prasangat mama vijo samvido avante karna rasayana katha tajjo sanat asu apavarga padmani sadhyati bhakti Rameshyati. Lord Kapil Dev, he gave his instruction to his mother, Devati. devotees finally she asked to Kapil Dev, your father already took sannyas, your father left also house, and now you also going to take sannyas. So what will do now? What will do now? I'll do. You are only my one son. Your father already taken sannyas and left house. And now you are going to take sannyas. So what will do now? You give me some advice. That time Lord Kapil Dev, he gave so many instructions to his mother Devaki. But this instruction is very powerful. What is it? Satam prasangat. Everybody. Satam prasangat mama veja samvido bhavanti karna rasayana tajjosanathasu apavarga patmani shraddharati bhakti Lord Kapil Dev told, oh my mother, listen. Always associate with pure devotee, Suddha Bhakta. Satang prasangat. And what will do? Now you have to listen my high class, exalted, sweet pastimes. Powerful Harikatha. Though Lord pastime is very sweet, all katha is very powerful, this is true. But which katha is very powerful? You are saying, which katha? You are saying, Satang prasangat mama virjo samvido bhavanti hit karna rasayana katha. What say? Hit or karna? Which katha which have melted your heart and ears? That katha will listen.
Who is his mother?
Hit karna rasayana katha. Well, which katha? Rasayan katha. Which katha? Rasayan. That katha completely sweet mellows are there. But which katha? What katha? Braj katha. Which katha?
Braj katha.
Krishna will be happy if anybody little bit touch the glorification of Braj. Brajvasi Mahaprabhu. What is it? Brajvasi Mahaprabhu. The glories of Braj. Then Krishna will be happy. This very nicely explained in Brahma Shruti. Brahmaji, four-headed Brahma. He stored Krishna's friends, cowherd boys and cows. Then Brahmaji, finally Brahmaji realized Krishna is the supreme personality of God, is and Bhagavan. Then Brahmaji recited many Stavstuti, recitation, slokas, but Krishna not pleased. But when Brahmaji just touched one slok, let me glorify about Brajvasi. And that Aho Bhagyam Nanda Gopa Vajamukusam Janmitram Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanathanam. Then Krishna smiled. Brahmaji decided many stuti. Nami Date Abrabo Puse. And the stuti also said. Gyane Prasa, many slokas said. But Krishna is not pleased. But when coming these slokas, what is it? Aho Bhagya, Maho Bhagya, Nanda Gopa Vajamukusam, Janamitram Paramanandam, Purna Brahma Sanathanam. Brahmaji, oh, how Brajavasis, Subal, Sinam, Nanda, Jasuda, Radha, Lalita, Gopis, how they are great fortune. Aho Bhagya. And those who are living in Braj. Which Braj? Nanda Gopa Braj. Gokul. Gokul and Brajavasi they are living. Aho Bhagwan, Maho Bhagwan, Nanda Gopura Vajagosam. Janmitra, and Janmitra means how Brajavasis, they make friendship with Krishna as like they are
Family
family. Look, how will attain to Krishna, Brajendra Nandan Krishna? Just make the friendship with him as like your
family
family. But what is that? Tad dukkhe dukkita, tad sukhe sukhita. And if you are any family member, your son, daughter, wife, husband, anybody will become sick, what will do? You also sad. Other person, your neighbor,
They don't care.
not
They don't care.
don't care. Understand? Some people also saying you're upstairs, even you don't know, see their face also 1 year. And many people will come, will never, and by chance coming, they say, hello, hi. This is good.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Party on the park, taking the
Dog for a walk.
dog for
A walk.
walk. That they say, hi. They will smile and
Bye.
Quickly go.
quickly. Many people they don't care. Who is there? What is mine? They are always away. They two are wrong. So this is not good. But why I'm saying, because when you make the friendship with your
Close.
close to that time, you also
Care.
so for this regard I'm saying this way, tad dukhe dukhitam, tad sukhe sukhitam. This is called the Lokik Sadbandhu Priti. How to make friendship with Krishna. Krishna is my friend. So what are you thinking? Krishna is my friend. Which friend? Well, very close friend. Bhujum friend.
बंद हो जाएगा. ठीक नहीं है.
Krishna is my close friend. And not only, he is also what? Somebody's member. Sridham, I tell you one very nice, beautiful story. Then you understand. Krishna is the supreme personality of God, it's Sang Bhagavan. This is true. Ete Jangsa Kalapungsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. He sang Bhagavan. All the incarnation and manifested from him. So he is called Swayam Bhagavan. So Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explains. Ete Jangsa Kalapungsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. He sang Bhagavan. This is true. Even all the incarnation manifested from him. Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamena Tishtan Nanavataru Makarud Bhuvaneshu Kintu Krishna Sang Paramavat Paramakumanajo Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Brahma Samhita. Brahmaji himself told. All the incarnation, Ram, Nrsimha, Varaha, Kalki, all the incarnation, they manifested from Krishna. So Krishna is called Avatari, source of all incarnation. Krishna is not Avatar. Krishna is called Avatari. So for this regard here, Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Ete Jangsa Kalap Ete Jangsa Kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. Shishan Bhagavan. So now Krishna is performing sweet lila in Braj. Krishna completely forgets his own supremacy, Bhagavata. So Krishna is thinking, I am an ordinary Kavhar boy. Or simultaneously, same times, Krishna thinks I am Bhagavan. So that means who is a Bhagavan at a time? Two things are there. What is that? That is called Sarvagata and Mukdata. Sarvagata is all-knowing power within. That is called Sarvagata. He knows everything. Or Mukdata means completely and innocent child born. Otherwise Krishna cannot perform human being lila. So now coming this, because I am making this platform. So Madhumangal, he brought some matha. You know matha, boy? That is called
Buttermilk.
buttermilk. Maybe 3-4 days buttermilk.
Very sour. Sour.
Very old and bad smell. Not good smell. And not so much, little bit maybe. And you know, in India, this time very hot, hottest month. June, July means is what? Very hot. Sometimes also what? 52. You cannot imagine. Very hot. So Krishna, and that time if you drink the buttermilk, chach, then your body will be a little bit cool. So Madhumangal, he brought this. So Madhumangal, he told Krishna, take this. But Madhumangal is thinking, first I chest. So Madhumangal taking test. Krishna is thinking, he is a Brahman boy. Madhumangal is called? And Brahman boy, he is very greedy. Maybe he will drink everything. So Madhumangal is saying, now I am testing. Then he is drinking. Then Krishna thinking, maybe he will drink everything. So some drops coming down from the mouth of Madhumangal. Krishna reading. Could you imagine? Krishna now he taking the remnants of Madhumangal. In Vaikuntha, Narayan, he will not take remnants for anyone. Everybody eager to take remnants from Lord Narayan. Even in Ayodhya, everybody eager to take remnants from Lord Ram. And understand? Even in Dwarikapuri, and all the queens, 16,108 queens, they are eager to take the remnants of Krishna. But in Vrindavan, opposite way. And Krishna is very eager to take remnants of the Brajavasis. Look, so Krishna what is doing? Taking this remnants, not remnants, what to take? Complete direct. Madhumangal mouth is coming down. And he also taking. As for this is called Lokik Sadbandhava Priti. Understand? Just can we give an example? I don't know your Western culture. Sometimes Indian way is looking. Mother, sometimes baby can, sometimes cannot chewing. Then mother also chewing and Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Understand? In the same way. So this is called Lokik Sadbandhuva Priti. How they have love and affection with Krishna. And just I tell you this is called Sakharas. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhuttang tassangatanang paradaivatena maya sitanang naradarakena saddam vrijahu Kritapurna Punja. A nice, beautiful sloka, Srimad Bhagavatam. Those who are impartialist, Advaitavadi, they are thinking Krishna is has no form. Effulgence just. And they to merge in Brahma. So the ittang satang brahma sukhanuvittam dasangatanang paradaivateno. Those are devotees of Dasaras. They are thinking he is Supreme Son Bhagavan. And fold their hands and also doing many stav stuti. Om Tadevishnu Paramang Padam Sada Pasyanti Suraya Viva Chakshura Tatam. Om Tadevishnu Paramang Padam Sada Pasyanti Suraya Viva Chakshura Tatam. Those who are devotees of Dasaras. And Dasaras mixed with opulence. And they are chanting this mantra. So Dasangatang Paradaivateno, they are thinking he is the Supreme Personality of Bhagavan. Maya Sitanang Naradar Karna, those who are completely elucidated by Maya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary coward boy. Durjodhan, Dushasan. They are thinking he's useless person. Stupid, nonsense guy. Understand it? So say Maya Sitanang Naradar Sardhang Bijuhu Kitapunna Punja or Subal Siddham. How they are great fortune, Shobhag. Sometimes they grabbed on the shoulder of Krishna. Sometimes they quarreled with Krishna. Sometimes they are fighting with Krishna. Look, these types of Leela. Sometimes Krishna also takes their remnants. These types of Leela. So, Sadhang Vijay Kita Punna Punja. Ittang satang brahma sukhanuvittam dasangatanang paradaivateno maya sitanang naradarakeno sadhang vijayakrita punna punya. What kinds of their Leela is going on this way? Why I am saying those who are that, so for this regard, this is called Sakara. Vatsalarash and parental moods, Nanda Jasoda, how they have love and affection with Krishna. And Nanda Maharaj every day saying, hey Krishna, bring my shoes. Krishna, he can't do, cannot hold the wooden shoes of Nanda Maharaj. Just little bit holding, then falling down. Then anyhow, Krishna and took the Nanda Maharaj wooden shoes and put on his head. They bring it. Look at this. Every day Nanda and Jashoda, they also give blessing to Krishna. Look at this Leela is going on this. Sometimes Mother Jashoda also chastised to her. Studied Namami Saram Satchidananda Rupam Rasad Kundalam Gokule Rajumam Jasoda Virolo Alam Damamana Aram Krishna Mantam Tata Drutrupa Rudantam Samudeta Jumamridanta Param Jumena nice, beautiful Padma Puran. Satyabrata Muni glorify this. That is called Damanda Lila. Very nice, beautiful, sweet pastimes of Mother Jasoda binding to Krishna with a small rope, and that rope also tied her, what is called? Braid. This Lila is going on this way. Though Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sang Bhagavan, now Krishna is afraid, fear from Mother Jasoda. Because Krishna committed 2 offenses. Just I explain this in this purport about this Kirtan sloka. He broke the butter pot, and another, he took the butter and threw towards monkey and crows. For this is regard Mother Jasoda chastised. And Krishna afraid from Mother Jasoda and running on the high road. And Mother Jasoda also chasing behind her. And finally Mother Jasoda caught to Krishna back. Understand? Then Mother Jasoda also chastised with the small stick. I beat. Then Krishna cried. Rudanta mohur netra jugma brijantam karambuja jugmeno shatanka netram muhur shasa kampa vivekanka kanta sitagaiva damu taranga bhariva. Nice, beautiful Leela. Krishna doing this. So for that Krishna says, Mata more putra bhave kare lalana palan. And my mother, Jasoda, she is thinking, I am her innocent baby. And she also nourishes me. Sometimes taran bhatsan, sometimes chastise to me. Sometimes Mother Jasoda, she gives some instruction to Krishna. Krishna, do this, don't do this. All Ved, Puran, Upanishad, all instruction coming from where? Vedas. Are these Vedas coming from lotus mouth of Krishna? Srimad Bhagavad Gita coming from where? Bhagavan Uvacha. Lord says or not? All the instruction coming from Krishna. And now Mother Jasoda, she gives instruction to Krishna. And Krishna also listens during this Leela also. And suddenly Krishna completely also innocent. Krishna asked to Mother Jasoda, Maya, tell to me, who is this? Now it's big sadhu, big beard. Who is this sadhu? Then Mother Jasoda, she told, no, this is not sadhu, this is called banyan tree. You know banyan tree? This some also
branches hanging down.
Roots, you know?
Roots hanging from the tree.
Coming down, hanging down. So Krishna is thinking this is sadhu, big beard. Well, no, this is not sadhu, this is called. Achha, who manifested this banyan tree? Coming from where? Krishna. And now same Krishna is asking, Mother, who is he? He knows everything, but he acting this role, completely innocent baby. Then Krishna asks, what is it? Those who are flying? Then Mother Jasoda goes, that is called bird. Bird? What is that? How they are flying? Well, they have 2 wings. And Mother Jasoda told, the birds have 2 wings. Then Krishna says, where are you now?
Where are my wings?
What is my wings? When my wings will grow. Then I want to also fly as a bird in the sky. Completely innocent baby. He speaks this way. Leela this way. So it's Leela is going on. This is called human being Leela, Manav Leela. Krishna performs it. Why am I saying? Because remember, Kapil Dev told to his mother, Devudhyare, Satang prasangad mama virju samvido bhavanti Heat and Karna. It means your heart will be melt. Karna and your ears will be so,
Eager to hear
Eh?
and listen.
so much eagerness will come listen. It Karna, Rasayana Katha. This is a Braj Katha is called
Rasayana.
Super mellows. Sakha, Vatsala, then Madhurya Katha, Gopij Katha. Krishna says himself, Priya jadi man kari kare vatsan, Pedostuti hoite mor, Hari mor man. Krishna says, if Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they recited many Vedas stuti, I am not happy. But when my beloved gopis, they use harsh words. What is saying? You are stupid, nonsense, rascal, thief. Huh? Understand? Not only this, you are debauchee. Very strong language. Krishna is very happy. Braje prasiddham navanita chaurang gopanganancha dukula chaurang aneka janman jita papa chaurang chaurang agragannam purusang namami. Gopis, they use many harsh words to Krishna. You are thief. Krishna is thief or not? How possible Krishna is thief? Everything belongs to Krishna. Isoponiषद. Isavasya Sarvamidam Jatkinchan Jagatang Jena Tena Takta Vanjita Magritha Kasya Siddhanam. Everything belongs to Lord. What things you will bring when you took birth from the womb of mother? What did you bring? Nothing. Or when you give up this body, what things you will take with you? Nothing. Hindi word saying, Matti bandke aaya tu haath pasar ke jayega. When you born from the womb of mother, then you close your finger. Or when you will give up this body, then your hand completely what? Open. Actually did not bring anything. And also, when you give up your body, also will not take anything. This is true. This is the Siddhanta. So now coming in this way. Krishna, so say Krishna said, Braje prasiddham navanidam. So I am saying, Isavasang sarvamidam. Jaktang jagatena takta vanjita ma gridda kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Lord. This is true. So how possible everything belongs to Krishna? So how possible Krishna is thief? Your money you taking from your pocket. Understand? Your money where? In your pocket. And that money you are spending. So what is the problem? If you taking the money from others' pocket, stealing, then you can be thief. You understand this? But everything belongs to Krishna. Isavasya sarvamidam jatkinchan jagatang jagat te trena takta bhunjita ma grijya kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna. This is not ours. This is the philosophy, no? Yes. So how possible Krishna is thief? But Gopis what they are saying? Braje prasiddham navanita chaurang Gopanganancha dukula chaurang Aneka janman jita papa chaurang Chaurang agragannam purusang namami. Krishna is very famous in Braj. Everybody call him Makhan Chor. What is he? Butter thief. Gurudev one small book. You can read. What book? Butter thief. Butter thief. How possible Krishna? He is thief. Still butter. But you try to understand.
What is the meaning of butter? You are saying butter, Sanskrit word, that is called Makhan. What is it? Makhan. Ma means not. N-O-T. Ma. Not. Khan means lust, which is not common and lust. That means which is divine love. So that means Krishna, he steals the prem from the heart of the Brajvasis, Brajgopis. Understand or not? Krishna, what is stealing? Prem from the heart of the Brajgopis, Brajvasis. This is the thing. So sing, Braje Prasiddham Navanita Choram. Externally, Krishna is stealing butter from the house of the Brajvasi Brajgopi. Actually, Krishna is stealing the prem from the heart of the Brajvasi. This is the. Then, gopis are there. There are some also use many harsh words. Not only thief, Braje Prasiddham Navanita Choram, Gopanganancha Dukula Chauram. More highest mode. Gopanganancha Dukula Chauram. Gopis there, Krishna is stealing the cloth of the gopis. Dukul means? Dukul understand? Vastaharan. Krishna is told the cloth of the gopis. This is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. Vastaharan Lila Katha. If you go Vrindavan and place, that is called Shirighat. What is it? Doing this Leela also this. Very nice. I am not going too much deeper. Look this. This types of Leela is going on these. And Dukulang, if you completely surrender to Krishna, serve to Krishna, then your matrikul, dynasty of a mother and dynasty of your father, also deliver from this material world. Balavindavan Vyari Lal. Even with a neophyte devotee, just receive Harinam Diksha from Guru. Understand? No Tattva Siddhanta, nothing. That type of devotee is called Kanishta Adhikari, neophyte devotee. Even the neophyte devotee, chant holy name, bhajan chant. Then his 7th generation from his mother dynasty and his father dynasty, both will be liberated. Balavindavan Vyari Lal. Dukul understand? Kul means dynasty. That's it. Mother dynasty and father dynasty. Look this. Prahlad Nishingadi himself told. Prahlad Maharaj, you asked benediction. Then Prahlad Maharaj told, "Oh my Lord Nishingadev, my father disturbed you. So please deliver my father." Then Nishingadev told Prahlad, "Automatically your father delivered." But how? But this is Shastra saying this. Even you are neophyte devotee, but you have to remember, if you committed offense to the spirit of Vaishnava, Guru, then 0 marks. Don't criticize any Vaishnava. But you are very simple. Just you receive Diksha mantra from Guru and chanting holy names. So this types of devotee is called Kanishta Adhikari, neophyte devotee. Even a neophyte devotee, Kanishta Adhikari devotee, your mother dynasty and father dynasty. Dukul. Here Kul means dynasty. Mother dynasty and father also liberated. Dukula Chauram. Aneka Janamarjita Papa Chauram. Just to chant holy names, Krishna will steal all your sinful acts from God. This verse is saying. So sing. Praje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram Gopanganancha Dukula Chauram Aneka Janaman Jita Papa Chauram Shaurang Agragannam Purusham Namami. Okay? Very nice, beautiful this. And shlokas. Okay. And also not only Gopis also using this word, what is saying?
Debochi.
You are
Debochi.
Debochi. Lampat, Sri Lampat. Always chasing behind to the ladies. Eh? Once, Purnamasi Devi says declared, today is very super excellent auspicious day. Eh? So you have to serve sadhu seva. Eh? Then gopis, they prepare many kinds of preparation, laddu, kachori, brijvasis, many kinds of preparation. Eh? Then they asked to Purnamasi Devi, who is sadhu? So I will feed to whom? Then Purnamasi told, okay, and other side of Jamuna, there is one sadhu is there, Durvasa Rishi. So you have to go Durvasa Tila and feed Durvasa Rishi. So gopis, they came on the bank of Jamuna. If you go to Durvasa Tila, in the middle, Jamuna river. When gopis, they came on the bank of Jamuna, they saw Jamuna river very high tide, not low tide, high, and up and down, up and down. Then gopis, they are afraid how to cross Jamuna. How they will cross Jamuna? No boat, nothing. That time, they are thinking who will give advice to us. Then again asked to Purnamasi Devi, hey Purnamasi Devi, tell to us how will cross Jamuna. Then Purnamasi told, oh maybe Krishna, he knows Tantra, Mantra, these things. Asked to Krishna. Then gopis, they came to Krishna, Krishna, tell to us how will cross Jamuna. Then Krishna told, it is very easy. Listen, you go to the bank of Jamuna and pay your obeisances, pranam. And tell to Jamuna Devi, hey Jamuna Devi, if our beloved Krishna is Pakka Brahmachari, Nevari, look the face of the any ladies. So he is called Pakka Brahmachari. What Brahmachari? Perfect Brahmachari. Just to do pranam, then Jamuna Devi, she will give the path, she will cross. Then gopis, they laughed and joked, how possible? Hare Krishna, you are stupid nonsense. Few days before, you stole our cloth. And now you are saying, you are Pakka Brahmachari. How believe? Krishna told him, don't believe. What you will do? I am giving this mantra. Simple mantra. Understand? So this mantra which chant and tell to Jamuna Devi. Look this. Then gopis are thinking maybe Krishna is saying that is only truth. What Krishna is saying, that is called absolutely truth. Sattam. Krishna is saying everything is what? Absolutely truth. Some gopis are thinking maybe Krishna is saying this, Krishna he knows some tantra mantra. Then gopis, they also come on the bank of Jamuna and paid their obeisance, told, hey Jamuna Devi, our beloved Krishna is Pakka Brahmachari. Look at this. Then Jamuna Devi, this water automatically what? Subside, coming down. And coming under their knees. Look. And the gopis, they are very easy to cross Jamuna. Look this. Then they feed very nice, beautiful, delicious preparation to Durvasa Rishi. And with their own hand, give all the preparations. Durvasa Rishi ate everything. Then gopis, they have to return back Vrindavan. When they came, again they saw the Jamuna Devi very high tide. So how they will go? Then again they return back to Durvasa Rishi. After Durvasa Rishi, his sadhu tell to us, how will cross Yamuna? Then Durvasa Rishi told, you go to Yamuna and pay your obeisances and tell Durvasa Rishi never eat anything. Oh my God. Hey Yamuna Devi, give us passage and path. Gopi is confused, how possible? We saw, we feed to Krishna with our own hand.
We fed Durvasa.
We fed Durvasa Rishi. And with our own hand. Hey sadhu, take this laddu. Take this kachori. Kachori, understand? Samosa. Many of the Brajavasi preparation. Jalebi. Jalebi, understand? Very sweet. Understand? Garam garam. Garam garam jalebi. You understand Hindi? Garam garam? Very kach kach kach. Automatically saliva coming. Still not jalebi. But just thinking, then Brajavasis. Makhan, here is called many kinds of rabdi, and Mohan Bhog, Brajavasis, many kinds of sweets. You cannot imagine. So Gopis they told, we also with our own hand, feed Durvasa. He ate this, and everything he ate. And now Durvasa is saying, Durvasa never ate anything. Then they returned back and also told to Jamuna Devi, hey Jamuna Devi, even Durvasa Rishi never ate anything to give our passage. Then automatically the water of the Jamuna, water coming down. Then Gopis they cross the river. Actually, what is the purport of this story? Krishna, he is Bhagavan, he is called Atmaram, Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfilled all his desires. Understand this? Bhagavan is Atmaramascha Munayo Nirkanto Hari Urukrame. Bhagavan is that is. Krishna is Bhagavan. Sang Bhagavan. Who is sang Bhagavan? This qualification also. Atmaramata and Aptakamata. Self-satisfied and fulfilled all his desires. He is doing everything but completely detached from everything. Sang Bhagavan is this. So Bhagavat Leela are those high class exalted, high class devotees of Lord. Durvasa Rishi ate everything, but Durvasa Rishi did not eat anything. Very difficult to understand this. Krishna Leela, Krishna Katha, Rasan, how is very good. Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. How many days? How many months? How many years? Do you know? Ta Brahmaratra. Here these are plural numbers. Not one night. Millions nights of Brahma. They are saying Ta Brahmaratra. Bhagavan Uvitaratri Sarada Utpulla Mallika Viksharantu Manaschakre Yogo Maya Upasitam. Bhagavitaratri. Can one imagine? Krishna performs sweet Leela with the way. How? Because Yoga Maya. Krishna performs all his Leela with his Yoga Maya. What is Yoga Maya? Yoga Maya will manifest. Understand? Naham Prakasho Sarvasya Yoga Maya Upasita. Krishna says, always I am not manifested my form. I always covered everything with my Yoga Maya. Naham Prakasha Sarvasya Yoga Maya Upasitam. Hare Bhagavan Uvitaratri Saradutpalla Mallika Viksharantu Manaschakre Yoga Maya Upasitam. Krishna performs all his Leela with his Yogamaya. So Yogamaya is here. One is called Yogamaya and is called Mahamaya. Those jivas not doing bhajan and sadhan, then Mahamaya grabbed to them. And also putting in this material world. Or those jivas want to pass up to Krishna, then Yogamaya and bring to Krishna. Golok Vrindavan. Understand? One is called Yogamaya and this is called Mahamaya. If you do bhajan and sadhan, then Yogamaya, she will help you. Or if you not bhajan and sadhan, not chanting holy names, then Mahamaya she will bring to you. And Vitali Vitu. Understand? Then you go to, where you go? Andha Kupa. Now we will be seeing. What is it called? Andha Kupa. Andha Kupa, understand? What is called Andha Kupa? Dark oil. Blind oil. There no water, nothing. Inside is what? Snake. Soon you will see. They will explain. Understand? Or if you do bhajan and sadhan, then Yogamaya will bring first Krishna. What do you want? If you do bhajan and sadhan, then Yogamaya, she will bring to Krishna. Or if you not do bhajan and sadhan, then Mahamaya bring to Naraka. What do you want? Bhajan and sadhan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just I finished the katha. So, hit karna rasayana katha. Always listen. So Kapil Dev told, oh my mother, Devadi, always associate with Rashik Vaishnava, Sadhu. And listen, Braj Lila Katha. Then your life will be successful. Father Raghunath Das composed one very nice, beautiful verse. What is it? Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atapi Tat Padankam Asambhasu Tadabhava Gambhi Asambhasu Tadabhava Gambhira Chitam Kutasamus Rasasavoga Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavi Talpadankam Asambhasa Tadabhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasyamu Sindhu Rasasavoga. If you want to submerge in the highest mellows of different Radha and Krishna, Braja Prem, understand? Which Braja Prem? That is called Manjari Bhav, high stream, which Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed. Anarvita Charing Chirad, Karuna Vatirna Kalu, Samar Paeto, Unnaduchara Samsavati Sevam, Hari Pura Sundar Dudika Sadav, Thra Hidaya Kandare, Spuratva Sachinandana Gauri, indiscriminately distributed this highest prem. So, if you want to relish this highest prem Manjari Bhav, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Manjari Bhav Upasana. What do you say? Manjari Bhav Upasana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself practiced and he tested and he also distributed these things. Apani Asadi Jivere Asadila. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself relished this Manjari Bhav. And he also distributed. Take this, how is the very beautiful. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one discussed this Manjari Bhav. And now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this Manjari Bhav manifested in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave this Manjari Bhav in the heart of Raghunath Das Goswami. Then Jiva Goswami Pad, Nattam Samananda Srinivas, and Prabhupada, and coming in this way, and in our Guru Parampara is coming. And very harsh these things. This is the one. Partly some people are thinking, oh, Gaudiya Vaishnava, they have no Guru Parampara. Stupid nonsense those are saying. They are offenders of Aparadhi. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. He took Diksha from Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Puri Prabhupada. He has no Guru Parampara. Some stupid nonsense people, they completely are and contaminated. And those are completely innocent. They are thinking, they are saying this is true. And some people coming from India, oh, they are saying Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada. They have no Guru Parampara. I have Guru Parampara. So come. They are listening this katha, then give up, mantra, diksha, everything, and running towards that person. Many also these. How they are stupid nonsense. I say this, you not do bhajan sadhu no harm. But don't commit lotus feet of Vaishnava. Try to understand. For this regard, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he manifested one book that is called Prabandha Panchaka. You read this book. Gurudev very nice, boldly. Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj explain all our Gauriya Parampara, everything is part of it. Very clearly explain Gurudev. So for the if yesterday I chanted this one. Jadi Narayana nahi to, tabi ki hui to, kamone dharitam de, Radhar Mahima, Premo Rasa Sima, Jagati Janatake. If Gurudev Narayan Goswami would not appear in this Kali Yuga, how will know about the highest and last limit frame of Srimati Radhika? Srila Gurudev explained this way. So those who are saying they have no Guru Parampara, they are offenders of Radhi. And those who are also accept, they are also offenders of Radhi. How they are foolish and offenders. You understand or not? Harish Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he सबको ना चाहिए. He made the world dance with Nam Sankirtan. He has no Guru Parampara. How possible to say this word? How will you believe? How they are foolish. This word when you are listening, my heart completely what? I mean, how they are. You give up everything, no problem. Go to the Narak, no harm. Because according your karma, you will go Narak and here go, no problem. This is not my duty. But why do you blame? You understand? Why do you blame? Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and they have no Guru, Gauriya Vaishnava, they have no Guru Parampara. How did you explain this? And how did you believe? You listen, you read Gurudev this book. 5 essence of essence. Read this. Gurudev explained and mentioned the Gauriya Parampara, Guru Parampara. Understand? Diksha, two kinds of Diksha. One is called Pancharatri ki Diksha, or another is called Bhagavati Diksha. Everything is Gurudev made. If you don't know Tattva Siddhanta, nothing, then you will listen here, their katha, then they are saying this is true. So for this regard, very carefully, Siddhanta ule chitte lite, nakaro alas, jahite Krishna lage, manas. You have to, and then Tattva Siddhanta. You read two Grantha books. Gurudev this Grantha, and also Gurudev another Grantha, My Priya Bandhu and Shiksha. Very clearly explain this. So just I also explain this way. Don't commit offense in our Guru Parampara. and chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhana. You want to go Narak, no problem. I am saying, okay, if you want to go Narak, who can stop you? Can go Narak, no problem. You will suffer. But don't you blame. Don't you blame our Guru Padma. Understand? So very carefully. Follow Srila Gurudev ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare They will also make very nice people on drama. So they will make business, so you can and if that will come this way. So they will come this way or will come. And move the chair, they can do their drama.
They're going to do the drama from right here.
Yeah. Okay, just start your page.
We're all moving.
Follow Srila Gurudev ki
Jai.
Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Look, this is the children devotee. They also benefit. Gurudev, Vyasa Puja book.
We did that in 2015. Padmanabha Prabhu did.
In 2015, with the help of Chilean devotees, we manifested this book called Vyasa Puja. So if you want a copy, you can find also one. And we have also more books, and also we have
Jai Gurudev Magazine.
Jai Gurudev Magazine.
Gurudev ki.
Yeah. So if you want to approach that table, and also we have Narasingha Prabhu has posters.
Posters of Shamrani Didi's paintings.
Yeah.
I have a whole collection. If you don't have them in your home, it's very helpful for your spiritual practice to have pictures of the Lord. So these are all jewels from the heart of Srinarayan Maharaj that he instructed Shamrani Didi on how to manifest on print. So we have the opportunity to bring that to your house.
Drama, drama.
You remember first time you went to Chile, we gave to you.
They can't sit on the floor.
Okay, we can take those chairs over there. So they can come out in Spanish. So why don't we take the chairs over here? Maybe we can slide out of the way and put some chairs here, because they need to sit on chairs, and we can't be there. So you just slide forward. And you can sit there.
Now we're going to publish these books here in Portugal, in Portuguese language.
You want?
Yeah, very nice.
So we want to show you later. Wait, I will show you something.
This is what Portuguese language.
That is in Spanish.
Oh, Spanish.
This is Portuguese language. We wanted to show you. Because of the show.
This one's got feedback. Try speaking into it and see if you have Hare Krishna. But be careful of the feedback. You get really
We
horrible.
wanted to show
You need your
for
hands.
approval. If
You need somebody to hold it. You need somebody to hold
So
it.
maybe
for you.
the other mic is about. I just need to make sure I can turn this. But I want to put it on my lap. So.
Yeah.
Okay,
This one.
We can play it in Spanish and Portuguese. We can send to South America the films in Spanish and Spain and also Portuguese.
okay.
Thank you very much.
You can see?
Yeah.
What's happening? Sticker and from the truck.
By the mercy of Srila Gurudev, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Ji, we would like to present to you a story by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur called Under Pressure, the blind well of material existence. There was once a man who was gathering wood in a jungle. As he was walking around, he suddenly became aware he was being watched. The man then began to run. The tiger started to chase him. Soon the man became exhausted and began searching for a tree to climb. He stumbled upon an old well. He went to jump in when he heard. He saw a large at the bottom of the well and leapt to the nearest branch of the tree.
Oh my, what is this world?
The man then heard some strange sounds either side of him. He looked left and right to find two rats chewing each end of the branch. Curiously, one was white and the other rat was black. As he was contemplating his fate, suddenly the whole tree began to move. As he was swaying, he looked down to see it was a huge elephant that was pushing the tree with his head. His fear grew more and more, and the tiger circled round and the snake continued to hiss. He then heard a sound, not a good sound. He slowly looked up to see bees, many bees, angry bees who had been disturbed, and they began stinging him.
Don't sting me. It wasn't me, it was the elephant.
As he said this, he felt something lightly drop on his head. He looked up and saw some very sweet honey had begun to drop from the beehive. One drop was all he wanted. They fell on his head, his nose, but he couldn't catch one on his
Oh,
tongue.
come on.
He wanted it so much. Then eventually one drop fell on his tongue, and for a while he was so happy. He then heard a cracking sound. The rats had finally chewed through the bark. This most unfortunate soul fell to his death in the deep, dark, waterless well, as the cobra eagerly had waited for him. Oh, Haribol! mythology, the creatures all represent our samsara in this material world. The tiger and snake represent our impending death. The honey is likened to the love and affection of the material world. The white and black rats represent day and night, each taking us closer to death. And the bees represent our family members who are always stinging us by causing so many problems. The elephant represents sense gratification. So we ask, what is the solution to all of the problems? Srila Gurudev says in this regard that if we take a powerful medicine of this Dhanyakali, this very special age, we can, by His mercy, come out from this cycle of repeated birth and death, and we can learn the beautiful science of Bhakti Yoga under His divine guidance and shelter. And what is this most beneficial medicine? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Krishna,
very nice, beautiful, this drama. Thank you. And what is that? Chandrika Devi. She's the director. And also her birthday. So try to understand yourself. What is the meaning of on the Kupa? You try to understand, when you are director, so you have to realize. Not only the showing to others, have to realize this is the life of it. Very nice. And so narrator, Sri Radha Sundari Devi Dasi, very nice, beautiful. And many actual there's that boy who went in the jungle, collect the wood, and that is Ananda Prabhu ki jai! And they get class more good. Tiger, which tiger? Jogmaya Devi. Now Jogmaya Devi says now. Okay, nice, good. Okay, now snake. And then
day rats.
and so two rats, day and night. And day, what is your name?
Tavisha.
Babisa. Babisa Devi Dasi ki Night. That they are black mouse. Namapriya Devi ki and the tree. And the elephant. Ajay Krishna Prabhu ki. So you have the significance about this drama. And day and night, that is the personification of black and white mouse. And Ayu Harati Vai Pungsan Uddanancha Asanaso. Day and night, actually we lose our age and going to the ocean of death. And all is cut. And these are things. And what is the significance of Andakupa? And dry oil. This is our family. Try to understand this. And elephant is the personification of our many kinds of our desires. And so when desires coming, that is itching. A very nice elephant also. And so what is the moral about this drama? If we chant holy names, then again we will not come in this material world. If we do bhajan and sadhan and attend to abode of Lord. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Actually, Prahlad Maharaj, he told his father, Hiranyakashipu, Tat sadhu manne asuravarja denam sada samudvigna dhyam asata grihat hitvatma patam grihanda kupam vanangato jayet harimasre. And if you not bhajan and sadhan, your house is as like Andakupa. Or if you perform bhajan and sadhan, your house is called Golok Vrindavan. Opposite. Listen. You do it. Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Jedina grihe bhajana dekhe grihete golako maya sharana sindhu dekhiya ganga sukna sima paya. Sadhan, his house is called, what is called? Golok Vrindavan. And what is Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava is coming, Hari Katha is going, that house is called Golok Vrindavan. So you make your house Golok Vrindavan. First you make your heart Golok Vrindavan, then done chanting holy names, following the four regulative principles. And do bhajan and also control all your senses. Pacha vegam, manasya krodha vegam, jiha vegam, udara vegam, upastha vegam, etan vegan jo vishwasenira, sarvam prithvi sashisha. This is the process. Okay, how do bhajan and sadhan. Bharo Vrindavan Vihari Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Understand? Thank you. I have not taken
Swasti Vachan
Swasti Vachan Chandrika
Narayan Didi from Wales and also Kishore Didi in Germany.
Okay. Okay, come here.
Chandrika.
Now come here. But who keep some flowers, everybody has. Everybody has. Om Tat Vishnu Paramam Padam. Bolo Om Tat Vishnu Paramam Padam. Sada Pasyanti Suraya Diviva Chakshurakatam Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hidaya Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Om Swastino Govinda Swastino Achyutananto Swastino Vasudevo Dadatu Madhavo Madhavo Vaji Madhavo Madhavo Hridi Smaranti Sadhava Sarva Sarve Karjeshu Madhavam Lavaste Sati Jayaste Sam Kutaste Sam Parabhava Jesham Indiravara Samo Hidastu Janardana Om Swasti Om Swasti Om Swasti Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Tamosu Ma Jadirgamaya Om Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Tamosu Ma Jadirgamaya. Don't go to the Maya, go to Jatimin, go to divine couple, Radha and Krishna, and chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now we chant your traditional song, Hariga.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna to you. Who is give the shelter to us? What is his name, Prabhu? Jai Dev Prabhu ki Jai. And you are very good place. And especially Navamanjari and also Padmanabh Prabhu. And so his son, what is it? Ananda Krishna. They also very calm and quiet and love and affection to arrange this program. So all you give the claps for today. And some also
The family, the local family, please come forward. They also want to take Harinam.
please come here.
If anybody wants to take Harinam, Kanti Mala, please come forward, take the opportunity and your chance. And also, please take advantage of the books. Please come forward. Prabhuji, Ajam. Please come forward. Those who want to take Harinam. Chandrika Didi, can you give some space, please, for those? Thank you. Prabhuji, Didi, Ajam.
You liked it?
Naam le le.
Teşekkür ederim.